just a quick video while I am away on my holiday. I hope you're all doing well. I finally roped in my sister to have her nails done. She's not a person to have her nails done. She's not a girly girl. She doesn't do colour. She doesn't do nail extensions, but she finally said yes. So before I started filming, I actually put some short square extensions on for her just to lengthen her natural nails slightly, and I used the same Beetles nail tip kit that we did on my own hands for the, I think I called it Hot Summer Nails video, and on my daughter's whose nails have been growing wonderfully with them. Yeah, and we're going to do some orange hibiscus nails. Well, I think this was filmed last month, but we're still in the middle of a summer heat wave holiday vibes going on, so this is still very much trending. So we're going to do some hibiscus nails. So on her thumb and ring finger is going to be pure orange. We've just used Perfect Orange from ℙ𝕆𝕼𝔻𝕻. Don't forget you can save 30% with my code LittleNailRing30. I'll put it in the description box and it will be on the screen at some point throughout the video. We're going to put XOXO on the rest of the nails and then ombre some of that Perfect Orange up on the index and pinky. We're going to do a hibiscus flower with the white gel paint from ℙ𝕆𝕻𝔻 again, and then we're going to create a little French line on her middle finger, and of course seal it all off with a glossy top coat from ℙ𝕆𝕻𝔻. And I'm going to leave you to it. I really hope you like this video. I'm going to go off and enjoy my holiday, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!